everybody, Cressa Peterson, inventor of the shower toga. I'm going to show you quickly how to use a shower toga. This is Connor, my son. Okay, so I'm going to do the women's version. He's going to do the men's. All right, go. Put your shower toga on. You're dirty and sweaty. All you do, take your shirt off for women. Okay, see how I'm reaching underneath here? I'm going to lift it over my chest. And then I'm going to remove my sports bra. Okay, this is kind of like extra insurance for girls. You have one toggle that you keep tightened here. This is just insurance. I really don't use it anymore, but a lot of people feel more comfortable having it behind their neck, and that just locks into place. Okay, then you just kind of adjust the top. For guys, it's obviously much easier. So you have your side openings. Your side openings are your best friend for so many reasons. They don't gap because they have like this privacy panel, but see, they reach all the way through. Now you're going to take off your pants. Okay, so my pants are off. Now, if you want to just get dressed from this point, you can. You can use a shower toga for simply changing, but you can also use it for showering. At this point, what we usually do is we use any water source. We use bottles of water. We use this little contraption called a simple shower, which we do sell on our website. You attach this to a 2-liter bottle and it pours into a shower. You can use a camping shower. You can use a water hose at a OCR Spartan race. Any water source. You can wipe yourself down with a wet rack. Okay, so now, if we've decided to hose off, we're already clean. When you hose off, you reach through here and you rub and scrub your body down as you're rinsing off. Okay, you dry off the same way. Grab a towel, put it underneath here, dry off your body. To get redressed, you simply have your shower toga on. You're gonna take a sports bra or your regular bra. It doesn't matter which. You literally put it right on top of your shower toga. Take your top toggle, remove it, and as you can see, you just pull it off. Easy peasy. All right, now you're at your waist. You're going to put on, whether it's a skirt, pants, doesn't matter which. Put your legs in. Remember, side pockets, your best friends. Reach in and pull your pants up. There. And then when you're all finished, your shower toga turns into a bag. So you tighten your toggle on the end. See, it's locked into place. Turn it over, put in your wetsuit, your towels, your OCR muddy clothes, whatever it is. This silver coating is going to help keep your car clean, and all you do is tighten up this other end. Now you've got all your dirty clothes in a bag. When you get home, dump your stuff out and throw your shower toga in the washing machine. Don't dry it. It doesn't need to be dried. So that's the gist of it. That's our new instructional video. Thanks, Connor.
Yep.